Welcome to SIA Tech Hub. The purpose of this video is to show my viewers how to create a landing page, how to plan it, design it, and publish it for free without spending a dime. That is the purpose of this video. And this video is useful for content creators, marketers, digital marketers who use landing page from time to time. So I'll be going to my ChatGPT. My ChatGPT is the AI model I will use in planning converting landing page. Without wasting our time, I will write a prompt here. Has a business Sorry for my typo errors if there is anyone. Great. So what my AI model has done now, my AI model has taken the role of a landing page designer that has UI UX experience, who has also worked in a company like Apple. I used Apple because Apple is very good in user interface. The user interface of a landing page is very important. When it's appealing, it helps the landing page it adds to the conversion ratio of the landing page. So this is what our AI model has planned for us. But this is not the purpose of this course. The purpose of this course is to get a landing page published for free. The next thing now is I will give my ChatGPT a role, act as a prompt engineer, and write. DeepSeek is another AI model that is very good for coding. So that is where I'm going to copy the prompt generated from my ChatGPT. I'll copy it to my DeepSeek so that my landing page will be generated without writing a single code. DeepSeek will be responsible for generating the code behind my landing page. Right now the prompt is being generated. So I will wait for the prompt to be generated. Now you can see my ChatGPT has helped me to write a very good prompt. The quality of a prompt determines the quality of what my DeepSeek will also. I've pasted the prompt I copied from my ChatGPT. Great. So great. The DeepSeek has finished generating the source code for my landing page. Source code for my landing page, I can copy it to a text editor or an integrated development environment. So this is my Notepad++. I've copied the source code I copied from the DeepSeek. So I will save it. This is a web page. My landing page is a typical web page. Therefore, I will name it as index.html. Great. Where the file to be. Great. So this is the landing page that has been generated for me by DeepSeek. There are times you will need to integrate a form. So I will suggest a very good form that's compatible with a landing page and it's free to start with is formspree.io. This is what I use. I have an account with them, so I'll sign in. If you don't have an account with them, you click on get started. This is my account. I can click, let me click on new. Let me click on new form, give the form a name. So a good name I can give to it is let me give it registration. Great. Field, we come to this email. Great. So we create a form. The form has been created successfully, and this is the link to the form. Please copy it, then come back to my DeepSeek. Prompt engineering is very, very important because the quality of your prompt will determine the outputs. So my landing page will be remodified with the help of the prompts. So this is where prompt engineering comes in. Prompt engineering is very, very important when it comes to using AI tools. I'm done. The DeepSeek is done. It's done. So when you are practicing these on your own, you can take your time to go through what has been created and the reports given. So I've copied it. I'll go back to my Notepad, save. I've saved it. I'll go back to my browser. I'll refresh. By now, I should see something different. Though there's not much difference in the look and feel, but however, it's still professional enough. Testimonial. You're expected to give all this information to your model in order to output correct information. Now let's click on enroll. So we already have a form here now. Good. Enroll. So great. The form has been submitted. So now that the form has been submitted, I can navigate to the email. So this is the email, the form. This is the information submitted by the applicants for the AI course. We publish our landing page using GitHub. So I have my GitHub logged in already. So I'll need to create a new repository. This is where I will upload the file that make up my landing page. So I can call this landing page 2. Landing page 2 is available. Click on create. Upload an existing file. Commit changes. The file is being processed. Great. So despite the fact that this has been uploaded, I need to go to the settings to deploy the static page. So under build and deploy, so we've set the source, and let me go to action. So from the action, I'll click on deploy static file in repository without a build. Great. So I'll click on commit changes also. Add GitHub action workflow to static site deployments. Commit changes. We'll go back to my settings to pick the link to our landing page. So the link to our landing page is here. When I click on this, it takes us directly to the landing page. So the landing page has successfully been published. So from this course, you can see how you can use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, FormSpray, and GitHub to plan, design, and publish your landing page for free. A functional and converting landing page.